What's up, guys? This is going to be my 2016 bike check. Starting off over here at the Stranger Quan grips. I got the Fiend Reynolds signature bars. I really like these bars because they already come short. I don't really like really wide bars. I like them smaller. They got good rides on them, 8.75. Got the Stranger Haze stem in oil slick or the Trippy Dip colorway. I have a Cult headset. I have the Fit FK1.0 fork. I have a Cult Butter 4.1 inch peg here and Fiend 4.5 inch pegs all around. I'm running a Stranger front hub laced to a Odyssey Aerospace rim with a Kerley 2.4 tire. Coming over here, I have the BMX Alvx frame, which is Alex Dinaki's signature frame. It's a really good frame, really good for street, really small back end, so I had to get 165 cranks. These are the profile GDH cranks with Odyssey JCPC pedals. I'm running a Bsd bottom bracket, running a Bsd Sprocket, which is really good, protects from the chain. I got it because it's good whenever I do switch feeble grinds or any type of switch grinds, it protects the chain. Then I have a KMC chain, which has been holding up for like the longest time ever. These are the strongest chains out. I think it's the KMC 7. I don't remember, honestly, I forgot. What else? I have, like I said, Fiend pegs in the back, a daily grind drive side hub guard. I have a Bsd cassette hub, which has been holding up really well for a long time, laced to an Odyssey Aerospace rim, another 2.4 track Kerley tire, and another daily grind hub guard here. In the front, my Stranger hub comes with the two hub guards there. And yeah, that's pretty much my bike. Also the seat post, I don't know if you can see that in the back. It's just a premium seat post. I don't know if you can really see that. And the seat is a Demolition Markit seat. Pretty sure I covered everything on the bike. If I missed anything, let me know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my bike check. Here's some flat ground clips.